Hello, in this short video we're going to show you how to export grades from Canvas into TAC. Normally there would be a grade passback option, but right now TAC will not sync with Canvas. So we do not have a passback, but that's okay, there's an option to make this work. First thing we're going to do is go into Canvas, into your gradebook. And if you go to the Actions pull-down menu, you want to choose Export. So what it's doing is it's creating a CSV file as an export, and it will download it. And when it's finished, you'll have that file ready to go. From here, we're going to actually open up that CSV file. And you're going to have to look at which column is most important to you. So the one that we need to know right now is column number 3 that has our student ID numbers. Now, if this is the first time you've done this, you're going to have letters across the top of the screen instead of numbers. So to change the letters going across to numbers, you need to go to the File pull-down menu, go into Options and Formulas. In the Formulas column, you're going to want to check this box that says R1C1 Reference Style. And if you hover over it, it tells you that you're going to use numbers instead of letters. Once you check that, it will remain at that setting until you change it back. So hit OK, and it's going to make it a lot easier for future exports at this point. So now we have numbers going across the top of the screen instead of letters. So you're interested in column number 3 with student numbers, and in this case we're going to use assignment number 8 for drawing material reflection. Those are the numbers we want to export. It doesn't matter if you're cross-listed because TAC is only going to take the student numbers that correspond with the current class that you're trying to put this into. So now that we have everything set up, I'm just going to do a file and save just to make sure everything's good with this file. And now we're going to go over into TAC. So in TAC, we're going to put these grades in this section 5. So I need to go into the gradebook, and the first thing I need to do is create the assignment for this. So I'm going to go to the New Assignment button in TAC. And we're going to call this one Drawing Material Reflection. We need to give it a date, so let's give it an assigned date of the 1st and a due date of the 4th. And it's an assessment. It's a 10-point assignment, so we need to type in our points. We need to publish it so that the students will be able to see it. And we hit save. So now that we have that assignment category in our gradebook, we need to click on the End button for Mass Update Scores. I click that button, we're going to import scores from a file, and we're going to choose our file. That file is saved into my Downloads folder right here. It is a CSV format, and these are where those 2 columns that you had to remember were important. Student ID numbers were in column 3, and the scores we want to import were in column 8. Now, if it's a different score, just pay attention to which column you want to import. In this case, we're doing column 8. If you want to override existing scores, you can check that box. Otherwise, just hit Import. Scores imported, 24 of 24 students, so it matched up the student numbers. And these are students now that have scores. And there you go. That's how easy it is to import a set of grades from Canvas into TAC. Enjoy.